Hi and welcome to Ambrosia. My name is Bhavya Desai and today is very special because we've got the newly launched and exclusively the first review of the Amrut Spectrum 004 single malt. Now coming to the review, if you remember the last review that we did, that was of the exclusive edition, limited edition of the Epitome Reserve rice grain whiskey, which was the world's first 100% rice grain whiskey that was brought to you by Diageo. Now we thought that we will follow this up and start the year with a bang with another exclusive, which is the Amrut Spectrum 004 single malt. Now this of course comes from Amrut, which are the famed manufacturers of so many great Indian single malts that we already know. Now the price of this is rupees 13,000 and this is extremely exclusive. So we are extremely excited about this. So let's get this review going. Now, as you can see, we've received this in a special package, which of course includes the box and the works with the single malt and the glasses and a cinnamon flavored candle, which is in the shape of a drum, and of course, celebrating the festive spirit, there is the Christmas tree. But what really makes this malt very special is that it's the world's first multi-barrel made malt. Now, usually that is not the process. What malts are usually made of is usually using a single oak or maximum of couple of oaks, but in this case there are actually oaks which have been used from 4 different types. Now that's what makes this special, and we'll talk a little bit about that a little later. The other thing that makes this single malt really special is that only 6,600 bottles of these are going to be made. Now, as I mentioned that the price of this single malt is rupees 13,000 earlier, out of the 6,600 bottles, only 600 are going to be available in India out of Bengaluru, which means that if you really want to get your hands on this single malt, then you will only be able to get it in Bengaluru, because as of now, there are no plans to actually have it at other places. Now, out of the 6,600, the 6,000 bottles remaining will be up for sale in Europe, USA, and in Asia Pacific region as well, which means that if you really want to get your hands on these, there's a very high chance that it is easier probably to get it over there rather than getting it here. So when it comes to the technique or the maturation process, then in this case, a 2-part maturation technique was employed. The new make spirit is first matured in an ex-bourbon cask, and then the aged spirit is transferred to a spectrum cask made from new American oak with char level 3, lightly toasted new French limousine oak, ex-Oloroso sherry cask staves, and ex-PX sherry cask staves. Now, I'm really excited about tasting the single malt because in recent times, the Indian manufacturers have really become very ambitious and they've really started experimenting and innovating. And this honestly is another kind of a tribute to that. So frankly, this is a very important making juncture for blend making in India, which obviously means that experiments or rather efforts like these are extremely appreciated, and that really gets me excited. So without further ado, let's just quickly taste this because that's what we're here for. And now before I go on, actually, if you see that, then there is a very interesting moniker sort of a thing that they've actually done, which is a tribute to the 4 different barrels, or rather the 4 different oaks that have been used in making this. It is a 004, like a tribute to sort of a James Bond thing. Instead of a 7, there's a 4, and instead of a gun, there is a Amrut bottle which is actually kind of shooting out of it. It's quite nice. It's a nice, interesting look. Let's just quickly taste the spirit as well. So in terms of nosing, I am definitely getting a little bit of vanilla toffee sort of a feel. There is a little bit of, there's definitely a little bit of oakiness, wood, a little bit of kind of a coconut sort of a smell as well, which is kind of unique. It's quite different. Okay, interesting. So definitely a little bit of coconut. Actually, when you take that first sip, you kind of get that feel of the taste on the palate with a little bit coconutty. Surely there's spice. It is a nice whatever hit of spiciness. You do get the little bit of sweetness of like vanilla or toffee, something like that. For sure, yeah, you definitely get one of those as well. A nice smooth finish, longish finish. Definitely the spiciness still lingers around in your throat. I can still feel it a little bit with a nice zing. I'm also getting some fruit. I mean, I'm not able to identify what exactly that fruit is, but there's definitely that lingering effect of the fruit on the palate when you kind of have it. So yeah, I mean, overall, what do we think about the Amrut Spectrum 004? Really interesting. I think for a price of rupees 13,000, especially with exclusive bottles, which are only going to be 6,600 bottles available. It really tastes nice. It's a nice blend of spiciness, hits you with that zing a little bit. It has that nice sweetness as well of vanilla toffee, a little bit of fruity sort of a flavor as well. So yeah, I mean, overall, I definitely give my thumbs up to this. If you're someone who's looking for some special editions or are fans of Amrut or Indian single malts, then I surely feel that this is something that you should definitely get. The reason is because this is an exclusive edition. Also, it's the first time that any manufacturer, let alone be Indian or even on a global standard, has tried creating a single malt which actually uses or blends a spirit from 4 different oaks. So that also makes it very exciting. And if you like this video, then make sure that you like, share and subscribe to our channel. Make sure that you stay tuned for a lot of more exclusive content, a lot of more interesting reviews coming in. So until next time, drink responsibly.